Deirdre's kitchen, warm and bright, southern comfort, pure delight. From my mama, learned it true, cooking up a feast for me and you. Oh, the sweet taste of Sunday dinner love, recipes from heaven, sent from above. Mama's magic in every single bite, making everything just feel so right. Fresh baked biscuits, golden brown, best on cakes in this whole town. Pie so sweet, a dream come true. Every morning, love shining through. Oh, the sweet taste of Sunday dinner love, recipes from heaven, sent from above. Mama's magic in every single bite, making everything just feel so right. Fried chicken, crispy golden hue, mashed potatoes, creamy too. Potato salad, mac and cheese, collard greens, put your mind at ease. Pinto beans with cornbread powder pie, red sweet Kool-Aid, reaching for the sky. Oh, the sweet taste of Sunday dinner love, recipes from heaven, sent from above. Sent from above. Mama's magic in every single bite, making everything just feel so right. Hot water, cornbread, black-eyed peas, fried okra grits bring you to your knees. Chicken wings and pig feet too, chitterlings, hog balls, gumbo stew. My father's barbecue every weekend, street mulligan stew. Oh, so sweet, oh, the sweet taste of Sunday dinner love, recipes from heaven, sent from above. Mama's magic in every single bite, making everything just feel so right. Dedicated to my roots, strong and deep, memories of love that I will always keep. Mama and daddy in every flavor I find, the best cooking, one of a kind.